culture and tradition. Please make him welcome.
Dear friends, I want to express my experience, my contact with Bosnia, how I see actual spiritual condition of Bosnia, and my short annex. This annex has a title, Historical Thinking About Bosnia and Its Fortune. In the history of Balkans and Europe, Bosnia is exceptional. It is an old state which today wants to be a state not only in name, but truly be one. Through this dramatic existential situation spots out the very thing. Historical thinking about Bosnia, which we especially care, is not only thinking about Bosnia on its way to national constructive, economical, cultural, and political emancipation, then it is in the same time thinking which doesn't want uniformity and nihilization of the people, already just thinking on care, safekeeping, and rising on a high degree people alone. How do these things stand with the Bosnian people? With consideration of this, we can say that almost as an existence of human beings is always mine, thus it has people character. Consequently, just plurality of the people corresponds to the plurality of the individuals in its order. As the people, we need to understand personal existential structure, nothing else than the human being, nothing else than the essence of human beings, which is manifest in culture, language, philosophy, science, in tradition. Therefore, Bosnian people are not definite mass, but just with act, with deep, articulate cluster of co-people. They are not any abstraction, nothing else than just cooperation, qualitative, different individual existence. And this cooperation and this freedom of the people and Bosnian women and men take place in Bosnia. Distance from primordial Bosnia, for which is rumored that it is not, that it don't have, that it is nothing, for which is rumored that is a murky, obscure, or dark light, or in contemporary European politeconomic scene, like a black hole, how they call it, provokes historical thinking about Bosnia and simultaneously a critic which is not anything other than uncovering a crisis of thinking about Bosnia. Crisis, like the moment of decision, is not a crisis of something in time, but it is a crisis of time alone, or separation, division, cleaning up, primordial, genuine, unaffected time, and time which is twist, straight, which is lost, falsified, and fabricated. If we want to express this metaphysically, distance from Bosnia is that which time of Bosnia think as something gathered, collected, condensed, and reduced to single. In this metaphysical crisis in thinking about Bosnia, that one time of Bosnia to close, to bend, to enslave, to finish, and kill. While in the prison of eternal actuality of Bosnia, in which actuality subsists just almost everything from its science, art, education, culture, theology, and politics to its daily life. In the meanwhile, in the whirlpool of time of Bosnia, in the risk that don't even exist, difference between death and lives, prepares a way for different thinking about Bosnia. This primordial historical thinking about Bosnia neither construct provision manner of traveling is just dialogue with different opinions, and of course, first with those which is not a wander of somewhere and tranquilize in one prejudice about Bosnia, but which attempts to think of Bosnia and its origins. From darkness of thinking which makes a distance from Bosnia, progressive thinking which is made possible but not forced, the essence of women and men and acceptance of manifest tradition and culture and its transmission on open, frank and tolerant people which will prepare and arrange Bosnia, which is faith, vitality, which is not dying but it is in change and deepening. Historical thinking about Bosnia care about sincere, candid, historical significance of men and women and its tradition and culture which is narrated just such as they are only